NVIDIA was founded in 1993 as a PC graphics company. How did it reach $130.5 billion of revenue by FY 2025, with about 88% from data centers? And what does that shift suggest about control of future AI computing? NVIDIA was founded in 1993 by three founders as a PC graphics company, and now operates from headquarters in Santa Clara, California, with major R&D facilities on its Santa Clara campus. In 1999, NVIDIA introduced the GeForce 256 and marketed it as the world's first GPU, extending its original PC graphics focus into a branded GPU product line. That changed in 2006 when NVIDIA launched its CUDA parallel computing platform, allowing developers to program GPUs for general-purpose computing rather than only graphics-specific tasks. By FY 2025, NVIDIA's data center segment generated $150.2 billion of revenue, representing approximately 88% of total company revenue and making data centers the central driver of its business model. Here's the problem. In FY 2025, NVIDIA's total revenue reached $130.5 billion, up 114% year over year, while data center revenue already accounts for most of that figure. On profitability, FY 2025 GAAP earnings per diluted share were $2.94, an increase of 147% compared with the prior fiscal year. By Q3 FY 2026, total revenue reached $57.0 billion, up 62% year over year and 22% sequentially, with data center revenue at $51.2 billion, about 90% of company revenue and growing 66% year over year. In Q3 FY 2026, NVIDIA reported a GAAP gross margin of 73.4% and a non-GAAP gross margin of 73.6%. Industry analyses as of late 2025 estimated that NVIDIA controlled more than 80 to 90% of the market for AI training and data center GPUs. Here's their position. By mid-2024, NVIDIA reported roughly 5 million developers in its CUDA ecosystem, and by FY 2025, more than 3,000 commercial and open-source applications had been accelerated using CUDA. NVIDIA's software stack places CUDA as the core programming model, with higher-level libraries including cuDNN, cuBLAS, and TensorRT, plus commercial offerings such as NVIDIA AI Enterprise and Omniverse. NVIDIA AI Enterprise is sold as a subscription and license offering that provides optimized AI frameworks, enterprise-grade drivers, and support for running AI workloads on NVIDIA-accelerated infrastructure and major public clouds. On the hardware side, NVIDIA's 2025 data center portfolio includes Hopper Generation H100 and H200 GPUs, Blackwell B200 and GB200 accelerators, the Grace CPU, NVLink and NVSwitch interconnects, and InfiniBand and SpectrumX Ethernet networking products. NVIDIA also offers integrated AI systems such as DGX, HGX, and the GB200 NVL72, which bundle GPUs, CPUs, high-speed networking, and NVIDIA software into turnkey data center platforms. NVIDIA's data center customers include global hyperscale cloud providers and emerging sovereign AI initiatives, with these systems deployed for large-scale AI training and inference workloads. Economically, NVIDIA's gaming segment in FY 2025 reported revenue of $11.4 billion, about 9% of total company revenue, while the automotive segment generated approximately $1.7 billion, or about 1.3%. In the first quarter of FY 2026, which ended April 27, 2025, NVIDIA posted revenue of $44.1 billion, an increase of 69% year over year. Looking ahead, NVIDIA's automotive business centers on the NVIDIA Drive platform, with the latest Drive Thor system-on-chip designed to consolidate autonomous driving, infotainment, and in-cabin AI into a single centralized computer for vehicles launching from around 2025 onward. Automakers including BYD, XPeng, Zeekr, and GAC-AION's Hyper brand have announced plans to use NVIDIA Drive platforms in upcoming vehicles. Beyond vehicles, NVIDIA's Jetson platform and Isaac robotics software stack target industrial and humanoid robots, including the Isaac GR00T foundation models and the Isaac Lab simulation tools.